Matibag Castillo, and Prince Lloyd Jandel Estremadura Plata. To Pindasas, may we call on Mr. Marlon Castillo and Mrs. Desiree Castillo, and Mr. Arnel Plata and Mrs. Presi Plata. To award the trophy, may we call on Mr. and Mrs. Abet Matibag and Mr. and Mrs. Berting Ilagan. And we would like to call on Ms. Donalyn Panopio and Mr. J. Ben Castillo for the gift and the bouquet. Of list of donors of Jonalyn Luzada, Chona Ilagan, Consihal Aklet, Juanito Isla, Ben Manalo, Lenny Castillo, Silen Matibag, Feric Matibag, Ber Paglinawan, Pinky Ilagan, Ruel Biloso, Eric Biloso, Rocco Manalo, Cherilyn Rigrosa, Jenny Dalisay, Anisha Manalo, Ruben Matibag, Captain Ria Ilagan, Shanang Dadu, Andrew Castillo, Ian Castillo, Jeffrey Delmo, Winnie Luzada, Rita Matibag, Rudel Ilagan, Vicente Magnayi, Haning Ferrer, J.R. Reyes, Andre Candaba, Biring Ilagan, Ma'am G, Doni Paglinawan, Neri Alulod, Paul Matibag, Victor Paglinawan, Bilen Ilagan, Raimundo Candaba, Pedro Ilagan, Charity Pasupi, Divino Ilagan, Maria Paglinawan, Binay Biloso, Susan Manalo, and Joan Manalo. List of donors for Crystal Joy Maniego, Karin and Aris Gomez, Sibir Hernandez, Trini Mendoza, Auring Kaibigan, Nick, Piring Ilagan, Binday Hipose, Emily Magnaye, JC Albuquera, Gemma Albania, Divino Ilagan, Mina Ahena, Gilda, Ami, Cabral Family, Irene Ilagan, Mercy Mendoza, Indu Ilagan, Johnny Ilagan, Isidro Ilagan,